some word in music highlighter. Okay. Another thing is, what do you mean in your tagline of having fun or highlighting having fun or highlighting fun discoveries? Am I right?
It's keep highlighting for fun discovery.
What do you mean by fun discoveries? What are your parameters about this?
Sa survey po namin, we found out na aside from studying, yung mga students they're studying while having fun. Like, sa sinabi namin sa research, they hang out, they surf internet while studying. Kaya sabi namin na aside from studying, they're having fun.
Why highlighting? Is that so? Why highlighting? You found discoveries. Why highlighting? Is that
Yes,
what
ma'am.
you mean?
Yes, ma'am. While highlighting, we're creating a fun while learning math instead of using other marketing tools.
Okay, okay. Another thing is, your tagline is highlighting, right? And at the latter part of your report or your presentation, you are now mentioning stop vandalism. Which is which? Ano ba talaga ang focus ng inyong marketing plan? Is it the highlighting or the stop vandalism?
Actually, ma'am, isip po kami ng main issue sa ating environment. At yung vandalism po, yung closely related sa ating product, which is a marketing tool, a highlighter sa marketing. That's why we come up with the idea of stop vandalism. We want to stop vandalism through, gusto po namin gamitin yung marketing tool in the right way.
Hi guys. Alright. In the marketing point of view, I think scanning your marketing budget, but he only focuses on the below the line and above the line activity. With the emerging presence of the digital world, why digital include digital?
Actually, sir, meron po kaming online visibility. Like, among the social network and finishers, like pre-roll ads and the suggested posts.
And in addition, we maximize our out-of-home efforts because we found out sa survey namin yung target market namin is yung target market namin are more exposed to sa outdoor.
Outdoor, okay. But in able for a brand to cope with the community or with the target market, one must be updated as well in that technology. Okay? So I was looking at hindi masyadong malakas yung digital world. So what is your plan? Kasi okay, let's accept the fact that digital nowadays is very strong. Everyone, sinabi nga ninyo, na-mention ninyo na, everyone is using smartphones. Okay? Everyone is using tools that connects to the digital world. I just feel that medyo mababa yung digital component. So how do you cope with that digital world that's happening now based on